How to check the transmission fluid in a Craftsman mower. Your Craftsman riding lawn mower takes a lot of wear and tear all summer long. While most people focus on engine maintenance, it is also important to check the frame, deck, belts, and transmission on your mower. The transmission is the main component made of gears that makes your Craftsman rider tires turn. The transmission needs to have low friction to prevent gear wear, so it is full of transmission fluid. You should check the transmission fluid level before every mowing season. Things you will need: crescent wrench, wooden popsicle stick, funnel, transmission fluid. Squat or lay behind the rear axle on your Craftsman riding mower. Locate the transmission case. The transmission is the large box on the rear axle of your mower. Unscrew the transmission case lid. This is a small square plug that is located in the center and on top of the transmission. Adjust the crescent wrench to unscrew it. Poke the popsicle stick into the transmission fill hole. Pull it out to see how far down the transmission fluid level is. The transmission fluid should be within 1 inch from the top. Put the funnel into the transmission fill hole and add transmission fluid made for your type of Craftsman mower as listed in its manual. Screw the plug back into the top of the transmission tightly.